Hello everyone, this is Mr. Hernandez with a new lesson that I know you're gonna love. This week, I'm gonna take you on a safari. We're gonna be exploring giraffes. Now I ask you, how can we create a really awesome giraffe using lines and shapes that we already know? Well, that's what we're gonna be learning today. For this lesson, you're gonna need paper, blank paper, pencil and eraser, a black marker to outline your pencil work, but if you don't have a black marker, you can always use a black crayon or a black color pencil. Some coloring tools, I'll be using crayons, but you can use some markers or color pencils. Remember that if you feel like you're falling behind, you can always pause the video, draw, catch up, press play again, and continue with the lesson. I hope you have all your materials. I hope that you're ready. Let's start. Okay guys, so I have all my materials here. I have my pencil and eraser. I have my black marker and my crayons. Okay, remember, always start with pencil and eraser. Do your pencil work and then you outline everything with a marker, a black crayon or a black color pencil. Because I want to show you better, I am going to start with marker, directly with marker, okay? And then we're gonna add color. So step one, for my giraffe, I'm gonna start over here on the top. Over here on the top, I wanna start with an oval, okay? That's step one. I'm gonna start with an oval. Right, I'm gonna leave a little bit of space on the top. So I'm be adding ears and horns, but I started with an oval. After that, I'm gonna add the neck and the mouth area over here. Beautiful. Once we do that, I am going to start with the face. I can add two ovals over here for the nose, number one, and then oval number two. All right, and then two little lines going down that way. Okay, let's add a big smile. And I'm gonna add eyes. All right, two circles for the eyes. I'm gonna add eyelids. Okay. And then let's give some circles inside, a little highlight here for and then the black circle in the middle, which we call the pupil. Awesome. We can add the little horns. And then two circles. And around here, okay, around the eye area, here we're gonna add the ears. One, two, and then one, and two. Okay, and we wanna repeat this shape inside, maybe a little smaller. Okay. And it looks something like this. All right, once we have that, I want to add some details. Maybe here in the forehead area, I want to add a few like, kind of like those shapes that we call like animal print. that is part of their skin. You want to add that. Maybe a few lines here inside the ears. It's gonna look nice. Maybe a few lines in here. Then I am going to start adding these cool shapes around the neck area. And you don't have to, they don't have to be so perfect, okay? You can have fun with your shapes here. Awesome. So we have the neck. I'm gonna add a few little lines. I like adding lines. It helps with the volume and texture on the giraffe. Okay, so once we have that, so nice, really cool. I can focus on the background, okay? Maybe I can work on these branches. And they're so easy with this wavy line. We can work on these awesome branches and then we add leaves. Okay, we can add these leaves. Just a few leaves. Then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Again, you can add trees. Maybe you want to add a bird. Maybe you want to add more vines. It is up to you what you want to add in the background. Okay, and once you have that, maybe some lines and some texture inside the branches or these vines. And pretty much that's it. That's how you create your giraffe outline. Once you do that, we color it and it's gonna look something like this. Remember guys that you can add more details or you can even change it. On the assignment page, I have other examples that you can use on how you can create your giraffe. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And remember, be creative and have fun. That's it, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I know I did. Remember, clean up your area and leave it the way you found it. Remember that on the assignment page, you're gonna see other examples and other giraffes that you can use on your artwork. You don't have to do exactly what I did on this one. You can always be creative, add more, or even change it. As soon as you finish your artwork, take a picture and submit it through the assignment page. You're gonna see a red button on the top right corner that says Submit Assignment. Please do not send it to my email, through Canvas inbox, or Jupyter Ed. I am so excited to see all the artwork that you're about to create. I miss you all. See you next week. Mwah.